Dear friends, welcome back to English Story World Slow English Learning Videos. In today's short and interesting video, you will improve your English vocabulary, reading, writing, spelling, and listening skills in a very simple and easy way. This video is made in slow and clear English so that you can understand every word easily. You can listen carefully or even play it during your sleeping time to improve your listening skills naturally. If you want to listen faster, you can increase the playback speed in the video settings. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Story World for more helpful English learning videos. So, are you ready? Let's begin today's lesson. A boy who grew hope. Ravi was a young boy from a small village near Cuttack. His family was not rich, but they were hardworking and honest. Ravi always dreamed of doing something different from others. While most people in his village depended only on traditional farming, Ravi wanted to try something new. One day, while using his mobile phone, he saw a video about hydroponic farming. He learned that plants could grow without soil, using only water and nutrients. At first, he could not believe it. How can plants grow without soil? He wondered. But the idea stayed in his mind. Ravi started reading more about it. He watched many videos and read articles in simple English. Slowly, he began to understand the process. He decided to try a small experiment on the roof of his house. His father laughed and said, "This is city farming, not for villagers." But his mother quietly supported him. With some savings, Ravi bought plastic containers, nutrient solution, and lettuce seeds. He carefully mixed the nutrients in water and checked the pH level every day. The first week was difficult. Some plants turned yellow. Ravi felt sad but did not give up. He searched for the problem and realized the pH level was too high. He corrected it and tried again. After 3 weeks, small green leaves started growing beautifully. Ravi was excited. His father was surprised to see healthy lettuce growing without soil. Soon, Ravi harvested his first crop. He took the fresh lettuce to a supermarket in Cuttack. The shop owner was impressed by the quality and agreed to buy more. Slowly, Ravi expanded his setup. He built a small shade net house and started growing spinach and cherry tomatoes. Hotels from Bhubaneswar began placing small orders. Ravi maintained good quality and supplied fresh vegetables regularly. Within a year, Ravi's small experiment became a successful business. He was able to support his family financially. More importantly, he inspired other young people in his village. They realized that farming could be modern and profitable. One evening, Ravi stood on his rooftop, looking at the green plants shining under the sunset. He remembered the day when people laughed at his idea. Now, those same people were asking him for advice. Ravi smiled and said to himself, "Dreams grow just like plants. If you give them the right care, they will grow anywhere." And from that day, Ravi was not just a farmer, he was a symbol of hope for his village.